Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Happy Friday the 13th. This morning, we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget to head over to TipRanks TV to catch our after-hours recap with Fabio, plus some other great stock-related content. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. We are ending the week off with U.S. stock futures in the green. Currently, Dow futures are up 0.71%, S&P 500 futures up 1.05%, and NASDAQ futures up 1.59%. Bitcoin is on the rise this morning following a week of sell-offs after U.S. stablecoin Terra fell from its 1-to-1 U.S. dollar peg. Bitcoin is up about 5% this morning, back over that $30,000 point. In the latest Elon Musk and Twitter news, the takeover deal is put on hold while they deal with a fake account issue. Elon Musk tweeted that the Twitter deal temporarily on hold pending details supporting calculation that spam or fake accounts do indeed represent less than 5% of users. Twitter had provided that 5% figure in their latest earnings report. However, it remains to be seen if the bots or spam accounts do actually represent less than 5% of their daily user accounts. This reason has led Musk to stall the deal till further clarity is achieved. Many are thinking that this is just a gimmick to drag Twitter's stock price down and revalue the buyout deal amount. The Twitter stock is currently rated a hold with an average upside of 15%. And shares of Robinhood were on the rise after it was revealed that the co-founder of crypto trading platform FTX purchased a large stake in the company. It was disclosed in the after hours yesterday that Sam Bankman-Fried had taken a 7.6% stake in Robinhood. He sees Robinhood as a good investment and that he may review options for increasing shareholder value or acquire more shares himself. Analysts currently rate the Robinhood stock a hold with an average upside of about 60%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we'll be hearing from Lightning eMotors, LifeMD, Volta, and Jinko Holdings. The after hours are quite quiet, but we will be hearing from the latter stock known as AI. Already in the pre-market this morning, we heard from Jessica Alba's Honest Company, who just slightly missed analyst expectations. They reported a quarterly loss of 16 cents per share when the estimates were a loss of 15 cents per share and on revenue of $68.7 million, just shy of the estimates of $68.8 million. Their revenue did fall over 15% compared to last year. Analysts currently rate the stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 152%. We also heard from Honda Motors, who came in ahead of analyst expectations, but did provide guidance that fell short. They reported earnings of 63 cents per share on revenue of $33.4 billion. The consensus estimates was 57 cents per share on revenue of $33.2 billion. Their revenue did fall 2.5% year over year. Looking forward, they expect fiscal 2023 earnings of approximately $3.22 per share, which is well below the consensus estimates of $3.95 per share. The stock currently has no analyst ratings. Last night, we heard from Affirm Holdings. Their stock is on the rise after the company raised their full-year guidance. For the fiscal year, they're now expecting revenue to total $1.33 to $1.34 billion, higher than their prior estimates of $1.31 billion. Their revenue rose 54% year over year to $354.8 billion, coming in ahead of analyst estimates, and the company reported a loss of 19 cents per share, much lower than the expected loss of 46 cents per share. Analysts currently rate the stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 205%. And we also heard from Scrubs company FIGS. They cut their fiscal year guidance. They're now expecting net revenue of $510 to $530 million, down from their previous outlook of $550 to $560 million. The company fell just shy of expectations on earnings and revenue, with earnings coming in at 5 cents per share, below the forecast of 6 cents, and revenue of $110.1 million, shy of the forecast of $116.9 million. Analysts currently rate the stock a strong buy with an average upside of 141%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Affirm Holdings following their earnings report. Under the ticker AFRM, their stock is currently up over 35%. They're followed by Robinhood Markets under the ticker HOOD, up 22%, and Duolingo under the ticker DUOL, up over 17%. And our biggest losers this morning are led by FIGS following their earnings. Under the ticker FIGS, their stock is down about 25%. They're followed by Twitter under TWTR, down over 13%, and New Relic under NEWR, down over 12%. So that is going to be everything for Friday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. I hope you all have a totally normal Friday the 13th and a fantastic weekend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here next time.